We all, I was very anxious actually 5 minutes before starting, but Ananya's song has calmed down all the nervousness. It was a beat of pleasure to hear that sort of melodious song, but at the same time, it gave us the complex of the standard, the way she has presented her, performance of the month. We have tried something. We hope that you would all enjoy. There are no personal offenses to be made, but lots of offenses at the same time. So please give us a big hand before we start. So what we have for you is a play, and every movie or play for that instance has a disclaimer. We have our own, so hear it out. Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. No actor in this play is supposed to be a tobacco user. Anything found otherwise is purely coincidence. All events and characters in this story are fictitious. Any resemblance to date, alive, working, retired, or resigned is intentional, and we do not regret it. It's worth noting that studies prove that only exceptional and talented human beings are September born, and there are very few on Bismatic's planet. So you'll find candidates switching roles as we are running short of talent. So please welcome the corporate maniacs to present a story of some part of software life cycle. So this play is basically divided in some of the parts in which the software actually takes place, or the different parts of life cycle. So scene 1 obviously is where the project is yet to be assigned. So one of the famous saying is that, I don't know who said, so please don't catch me later, that David cannot be everywhere in the world. So they have sent clients on behalf of them. In the upcoming scene, you are going to see the typical client's interaction with the product manager, and poor product manager still surviving with the artificial and beautiful smile. So please give them a big hand.
Okay, for a change in this scene, she is a product manager. And I'm the client. So I'll tell you my feelings.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm okay.
Why okay?
Last night your application was pretty slow. I was not able to work full day. So I restarted the server.
You restarted?
Yeah,
What did you do to restart the server?
come on, it's so easy. I just closed the browser and started it again. Yeah, because every time I call to your support, they say that they have assigned this issue to their engineering and I'm just running out of my patience.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We will fix this issue.
No, but last time also when I called to your engineer, they said they are going to look into that issue and so you tell me, what should I do?
Sorry. I'm extremely sorry.
Okay, I'll see if you can fix this issue in this 2 days.
Okay, we will do it.
Okay. I have another requirement.
Okay.
Where I want to have one screen where I can enter the patient information.
What do you want to enter in that?
I want to enter the HPI, ROS, vitals, and everything.
Okay. Certainly we can do this.
Oh, great. When can you deliver that?
Uh, in a month's time?
In a month's time? No, that is too late for me.
Yeah, but I don't want to deliver something that. So I need to go through the complete cycle of development, QA, and it will be quality product.
Still, I face the problem. Okay, can you deliver it in a week's time?
Okay, I will see.
Yeah, if you can't deliver it in a week's time, then I'll stop using your application.
No. I will try delivering one.
Okay, that's great. I'll wait for your call.
Okay.
Thank you.
So the project is in the pocket, so we need to work on it. It said that the product manager is the one who does nothing, excluding some,
That's better.
and believes that nothing is impossible and everything can be delivered quickly. In fact, they believe that the baby can be delivered in 1 month. Here is the typical conversation between product manager, project manager, and tech lead.
Come on, guys, let's have a meeting.
अरे यार फिर से मीटिंग, कितने बार मीटिंग बुलाती है, काम करने नहीं देती है और हर अप्रेजल में बोलती है तुम लोग काम नहीं करते.
चल देख के आने क्या नहीं
So, hello.
Hi.
This is meeting for there is very critical client and we want to deliver their requirement in 2 days.
2 days.
Yes, in 2 days.
What will happen to other projects?
I don't know. You have to do it. This is a very critical client and we don't want to lose them.
Hey, you handle. I am going.
Don't forget, your appraisal is around the corner.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay?
What are
That's
the
better.
requirements?
Now the requirement is we need to design a page where they can enter the patient information.
Okay.
So, can you do this?
You have just assigned me 30 seconds back. How can I complete it?
Have you completed piece now?
No, clearly not. We are in the middle of the conversation.
So क्या तुम simultaneously बात करते करते ये कर नहीं सकते?
अरे यार, एक तो problem हम involve the breaking laws of physics.
Can you do that?
Do what?
Can you break the law of physics and complete this?
I think I'm going to leave now. You are having some kind of mental problem.
No, I want it done now.
I don't want to talk to you any further. Goodbye.
So तो मैं देख लूँ.
Okay, so the requirement is assigned to the project manager. He did not have any choice. Day 2, as usual, work started or not, meeting has to happen. And someone says product manager are the one who refers their food for dinner as one of the deliverables, set the milestone for their family too, and expect the same thing from their team. In the next scene, we are going to see a typical conversation between a product manager and a project manager about a project review meeting.
Hi Kunal, how are you? Have you completed the work?
I don't have resources to complete this work. My two resources are on maternity leave. Two are on paternity leave.
What they are doing? Okay. Now we have to complete their requirement. If you are not able to complete, then I will make your height in single digit.
Okay.
If you want, you can hire resources.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, that's better. Madam.
Madam,
What?
before that, can I get leave for 2 days?
What?
Actually, I'm going out.
Where? It's okay. You can take.
Madam, please जरा जल्दी get back. Last time you have the same get back to और तब से आती मेरे जो girlfriend change हुई.
Granted, but this time girlfriend will change.
Sure, madam. Bye, madam.
So now PM is supposed to hire the resources, even though they are not going to help him because it's a 2 days project and he's going to assign a new resource. So poor PM and TL, they don't have choice and all set for interview process. The first interview you are going to see is between a tech lead and a software engineer.
Knock knock. Sorry. Knock knock. May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come. Oh, hello.
Oh, sorry. Sir. Sorry.
Did I ask you to sit?
No, sir. This is my first interview.
Okay, then, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so what is your good name?
My name is Mr. Patiwala.
Okay, welcome to Mr. Patiwala.
Thank you, sir.
So, what have you done?
I just completed my BE in building supply, civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Then do you know about C++?
No, sir. But I like computers and stuff.
Do you know about Visual Basic?
No, sir. But I like computers and stuff.
Do you know about Java at least?
Yes, sir. I know about Java.
Okay, good.
Sir, I know the 3 versions of Java.
Versions of Java?
Yes.
What are those?
Mud Java, Mid Java, and Spring Java.
What the? From where did you call all this nonsense?
Sir, I saw this on TV channel. I've taken this from a song from Imran Hashmi movie. That is saying Mud Java, Mid Java.
That is ridiculous. I don't think you are even serious about this interview.
Yes, sir, I'm serious.
Okay. So tell me, what do you know about software engineer's life?
Before, sir, I have time to digest the incomplete information. I have to deliver a complicated project. I have first 3 years of fixing bugs, but software no one uses. I have a cubicle surrounded by these noisy people with no phones. So even I can do it every second. Even I can watch what happens with my friends' wife's life on Facebook.
That's interesting. But sorry, I don't think you are suitable for the software developer's job.
Why, sir?
Why, sir? Mud Java, Mid Java are not Java. Anyway, I have another post that I think you can really work good.
What's
I have a post for team lead.
what?
Well, these are the people who actually do nothing, but they can control others. They have their own cubicle with computer and stuff, a printer dedicated to them. They also have a phone line, which no one taps. So it's a very responsible job.
Yes, sir. I think I can manage it.
Okay, that's what I thought so. Please proceed for the HR now.
Yes, thank you, sir. Knock knock. May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come. So, how was the interview?
Interview was
अरे
good, sir.
साला मैं तो साहब बन गया, साहब बन के कैसा बन गया, ये झूठ मेरा देखो, ये झूठ मेरा देखो, जैसे पूरा कोई नहीं था।
So, from your expression, I think you have got selected.
Yes, sir. I got selected.
Okay, good. So, when can you join?
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow. Why not today?
sir, today I've got some other interview schedules.
You want to try other interviews?
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Hey guys, hold up! Let's start working.
Wait.
So, that was hard. So, as you have seen, it's very difficult to get any kind of candidate. So, what you're going to see next is the difference in the process when a girl comes for the interview. So please feel the difference.
Knock down. May I come in, sir? Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
So what is your good name?
My name is Rabdi.
Name.
Thank you, sir.
So what have you done, Rabdi?
I have done engineering and textile.
It's good. So do you know anything about Java?
No, sir.
C++?
I just had a little training during my project, but I don't have a detailed knowledge about it.
Okay, don't worry. We will teach you. It is pretty simple. Just follow it.
Thank you, sir.
So what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are watching movies, playing games like Candy Crush and Subway Surf, and socializing on a social portal like Facebook and Twitter.
Wow, socializing.
Yes, sir.
You fit into our requirements. Please proceed for the HR round.
Thank you, sir.
Select your
हाँ मैं तेरी देखी थी
May I come in, sir?
हाँ what happened?
I got rejected by HR.
Rejected?
Yes, sir.
Why?
He said I don't have coding knowledge.
Coding knowledge? Even HR doesn't have coding knowledge. I'll talk to HR. Okay, I'll get back to you. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
I'll get back to you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll get back to you.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. क्या है?
So team morale is all up with a new girl in the team. So they are now ready to actually start on the project. And now the project is complete. That was quick. Anyway, so like a mother-in-law cannot be satisfied with a daughter-in-law, the same relation is between client and a product manager. They are never satisfied. So in the upcoming scene, what you are going to see is a product review meeting, or rather project review meeting. So please again give them a big hand. Thanks.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So we are ready with your requirements.
Oh, great. I want to see that.
Yes, you can log in into new application
Okay, let me try.
with your last name.
Okay. Oops, it says invalid credential.
What did you enter?
That's LASTNAME.
Is it your last name?
Oh, my last name. That's Mukambo.
Yes.
That's too big. Can you please make it smaller?
How can I make your last name small? You have to ask your parents.
Oh, that's a long process anyway. So let me try logging in. Oops, what is that?
What happened?
I asked you to give me a page where I can enter the HPI vitals and everything.
This is what? What do you want?
But I can't enter anything over here.
Okay.
And this logo is too small. Can you please make it bigger?
Even bigger?
Yeah. And in fact, I want some white space around the screen. Yeah, and I also want a back button on the screen because I have seen other applications, they have a back button.
But this is only single page.
Yeah, but it looks good.
That's good. But it will increase your cost.
How much?
Minimum $500.
$500?
Yeah.
No, that's too much for us.
$250.
$250 is still high. You know, we are pretty new clinic with the 2 providers setup, and we are just setting up our clinic. And don't forget that we are one of your oldest clients from last 2 weeks.
Then $50.
No, I think 50 is also too much for us. I think you don't know that we have given a favor to you, that I referred to you many of other clinics. Let me talk to your upper management.
No. Don't go to the upper management. We will do without any cost.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so as you have seen, it's a never-ending process. The project is again back to the product management, and then they are again going to work on it. And the 1 week project, which was supposed to be delivered, is delivered in 1 month's time period. But finally, it reached to the client, and now the last scene of this kit is, which everyone waits for actually, is the appraisal round. So with all the hard work team has done, finally it's time to get some rewards. It's time for appraisal. Before we start, I saw a very interesting banner outside the software company by the HR actually. Drive slowly, guys. Don't kill our engineers. We have legal rights to kill them with deadlines. So here comes the next round with the appraisal between HR and tech lead, our team lead.
Dr. May I come in, sir?
Yeah, please come.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, Mayur, how was the year?
It was great, excellent.
Okay. So, my records say that your performance this year was good, excellent, outstanding. So, your rating is average.
What? How come average?
Well, you lack domain knowledge.
But last year you just said that I'm a domain expert and we put me on a project as a domain consultant.
But definitely your knowledge has eroded this year.
What?
Yes, I don't see you sharing your knowledge in purchasing domain.
Why would I, sir? I'm not in purchasing department. I'm into software development.
Look, that's what I don't like about you. You give excuses for everything and never take responsibility. Anyway, you need to sharpen your communication skills.
Oh, I'm the one who trained team on the business communication. And you sit in the audience and took the notes. Remember?
Is it?
Yes.
Anyway, what I meant was you need to improve your social, pragmatic, affirmative communication skills.
What?
See, you don't know. That's why you need to learn about it. Well, next, you also need to sharpen your recruitment skills. All the candidates you had recruited just went in 1 month.
Oh, not my mistake, sir. You told them that you will sit beside them and review code personally. And most of them resigned next day. Some of them suicide or attempted suicide.
Anyway, I tried to give you good rating, but our organizational process gave you average.
What average, sir? Last year this organization gave me excellent. And this year average. Why this process pushing me up and down every year?
Well, it's a very complicated process, and believe me, you don't want to know about it.
Okay, I'll try to understand. Go ahead.
Please be warned. I have already warned you that you won't understand a bit of it. Anyway, we all managers gather in a large room and write down the name of employees on small piece of papers. And then throw it in air. Those which falls on ground gets average. Those which falls on table gets good. Those which we manage to catch in the air gets excellent. Well, the last bits which sticks to the ceiling gets outstanding.
Jesus. And what about the poor ratings?
Well, those are the ones which we forget to write in the first.
So,
Your expression says that you haven't understood anything. I told you. Anyway, Mayur, tell me, what extra have you done this whole year?
so this year, I just made sure that my team member don't take part in extracurricular activities. I made sure that they do not log into any social networking site, social entertainment site. I made sure that they sit back in the office till 10 o'clock in the night. When I monitor their screen whole year.
That's interesting. So, what do you want me from me?
So can you just review my ratings?
No. That I can do. What is done is done. We'll see how your luck plays next year.
Okay, sir. I prefer to switch.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then take this.
What is this, sir?
Well, that is Yellow Pages. You'll find all the recruitment forms detailed there. Go and find a new job for yourself.
Sir, I'm just joking.
I thought so.
Okay, friends, that was the last scene of this skit. Hope you all have enjoyed it.